Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are back with currency. You guys heard it correct. So as you guys can probably see by the title, we're going to be analyzing currency. And those of you that are part of my Telegram channel, I'm going to be sending you guys out these currency trades. So those of you guys who have missed those 20R months, 30R months, 40R months, we've hit, I think our most is 65% in 1 month. Just trading currency. Now, we're not going to be trading as many currency pairs as we were previously. What we're going to be focusing on is AUD/USD, GBPUSD, and EUR/USD. And right now, I actually have a real-time, in-person GBPUSD trade that is currently loading. It is currently like halfway to our target. And I'm going to analyze it for you guys, break it down for you guys, and show you guys what I'm looking to take place on GBPUSD. We also have an AUD/USD currency trade loading and a EUR/USD currency trade loading. But if you would like to see that, you have to be a part of the Telegram. So feel free, click the link in the description, join in on the Telegram bot in order to stay updated with our progress. If you are not a part of the YouTube family, feel free to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon to be updated whenever I upload a new video and when I go live. And feel free to leave a like if you guys enjoyed the breakdown, if you guys enjoyed the analysis. I'll catch you guys on the charts. Let's get right into it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little intro. Now, without further ado, let's get into GBPUSD. So as you guys can see, oh, and we just had an AUD/USD alert go off, but that is going to be for the Telegram channel. So as you guys can see, we're currently in this trade right here. We're gonna go ahead and just take it off of the higher time frame so I can go ahead and break this down to you guys. Now, starting with the macro time frame, my macro of choice in this case was the H4 time frame. It's very, very solid. I usually use the H4 or the daily, with the H4 being the usual macro time frame that I go to. So if we're looking at GBPUSD, we can see that we had a breakup structure here, right? Now, if you guys would like my Forex trading guide, where I essentially break down all of this information to you guys for free, feel free to join in on the Telegram, because if you're within the Telegram, then you gain access to my PDF file, right? I send it out on a weekly basis, usually in the beginning of the week, and you guys can like review it and basically see how I trade currency and then apply that to any and all trading pairs that you would like to within the currency market. So as we can see here, this is our structure, right? We have external structure here, we have external structure here, we have internal structure, and then we have external structure, right? Once internal structure breaks external, okay, then we have external. Okay, so for example, this is internal first and then it breaks. So now our new external is going to be this low here and this high here. Right? So this high here was considered our sweep of liquidity. And once price pushed to the downside, taking out this previous higher low, that was our change of character within the market, right? So that was essentially our break of uptrend structure, starting a possible downtrend or retracement based on the higher time frame. So we can see here, internally, we do create a lot more structure points, right? So we see that we have this internal swing low. We have this internal swing high that is used as inducement or a reason for price to gravitate towards a point of interest based around liquidity, right? So the liquidity that's resting below this H4 point of interest here is going to be this inducement right here, right? It's simply just stop losses right above this swing high that will attract price if price would like to tap into our higher time frame apex supply zone, right? Now this was the apex of choice because this apex is responsible for pushing price to the downside and taking out this swing low, which was external structure, once we took out this swing high here. Now, I know it sounds like a lot and it sounds complicated, but no worries, guys. Those of you who are part of the Telegram community, what it's going to do is reinforce the strategy guide that I send you guys within the Telegram community. And once you guys see this take place over and over and over again, you will realize that it's the same setup literally over and over and over again, just on different currency pairs. So entry took place once price actually tapped back into our H4 apex supply zone, sweeping that liquidity and using it as inducement, right? So now let's go ahead and go to the M15 timeframe and break down exactly where we took our entry and why we took our entry there. What's going on, traders? This is your chance to unlock endless possibilities with our unbeatable trading program. Priced at only $53, this deal is just too good to pass up. Come get access to a wide range of features and benefits that will take your trading to the next level. Whether you're looking to improve your profitability, streamline your income, or simply invest your own money, our unbeatable trading program has got you covered. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up today. All right, so now that we're on the M15 time frame, as you guys can see, it looks like there's a lot going on, but these are very, very simple concepts that anybody can take advantage of, especially with proper training and practice, right? So the first thing we always look for is a sweep of liquidity, then we look for a change of character, and then we look for a possible supply or demand flip. Now, there are certain confluences that we look for specifically in order to find the previous confluences that I named. So let's go ahead and go over our first confluence, which is our sweep of liquidity. Our sweep of liquidity does not take place when we sweep that inducement area here. Our sweep of liquidity takes place after price sweeps that inducement, right? We form external swing high structure, all right, within this uptrend. Then price pushes to the downside, right? We create micro internal structure, and then we transition from sub to minor structure, right? So minor structure takes place here, and then we push to the upside and we create major structure, which is that sweep of liquidity. Right, after we have that sweep of liquidity, price then pushes to the downside and we take out our previous higher low, which is here, which gives us our change of character. So in this case here, we have a sweep of liquidity and we have a change of character, check, check. Now we're going to look for our possible supply or demand flip. So in this case here, we only have one supply that is responsible for actually flipping our demand in this case, right? And that is going to be in the form of this candle here, which is the same candle that sweeps liquidity. Now, usually that is how it forms, and this is a very textbook example of how to trade the strategy that I apply to currency. However, it's not always going to look this beautiful and this perfect, all right? This was just a really good example to show you guys. So once price pushes to the downside, we push back to the upside, we create more inducement. And keep in mind, guys, that this is the exact same setup that we just saw in the H4, right? So using time frame confluence and time frame correlation is going to be very, very important when you guys are using this strategy. And if you would like a lot of examples, feel free to just join in on the Telegram, subscribe to it. It's very, very inexpensive, and you get access to my trading guide, which is priced over $100. So, I mean, it's like free information. So we have inducement here, price pushes to the downside. This is our structural point here. But before price gives us a candlestick body closure, we then run back to the upside and price tags us in, and we sweep this area as liquidity, using it as inducement. So our entry was here, okay? Stop loss is right above this swing high. Stop loss on this trade was about 23 pips, as you guys can see. Oh, let's just put that back and let's lock it. There we go. So stop loss on this trade here was about 23 pips, right? And then we're simply just looking to target our higher time frame macro targets, right? So our first higher time frame macro target is going to be this region here around 1.22824. Second is going to be around this area here, 1.22624. And if we go back to the M15 and we turn this on the higher time frame, you guys can kind of see how this is playing out so far, right? Not bad at all. So we're going to be looking for this as our end all be all target. And once it hits this area, we will be out of the market looking for our next setup on GBPUSD. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comments below. Definitely have you guys covered. And let me know if you guys like these currency videos. If you guys like these currency videos, maybe we'll bring them back instead of just focusing on the index market. But I want to hear from you guys. Be sure to share this with a friend who's now getting into trading currency. Whether you're looking to day trade currency, swing trade currency, position trade currency, intraday trade currency, the strategy that I use for the Forex currency market can be utilized in any of those ways, just depending on where you find your macro and micro setups. All right. And that's all going to be taught within the Telegram, within the webinars and the live sessions that we have. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like and feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel to join in on the YouTube family. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace out.